Hey guys, so I am back again for more Groovepad tutorials for the week, maybe, probably. And so, this time we are gonna obligate some type of alternative ways to discriminate decent lesson learnings, how to exchange proper forms, and then we can narrow them possibly like evenly. So yeah, today's song is Nocturnal Beats, which is technically a electronic specific music sound effect that we can narrow down. We can eliminate pop music, maybe. Dollar General. I'm not buying nothing like that. I don't have no money. We should get started. And the girl said they want to watch Hardball so bad. Just like in the last video. So here we go. Lesson 1. Pretty cool. I did good.
There are trucks, and then there's the 2026 GMC Sierra.
Like
it's the truck.
Stop interrupting me, but I just did the basics, which is the chords, the beat, and the bass. So, lesson 2. We need to rearrange prosecution, especially making your beats properly. Yeah, I probably get so. Especially analyzing elimination to do better on Groovepad in order to occur some lesson learning types. Alright, moving on to lesson 3. Okay, so I think Maggie agrees that we can watch Hardball after this. Right? Yeah? Yes? Okay. She shakes her head, yes. Okay. Nope. I'm not buying no bags. What did I tell you? I don't have no money. Okay, so let's go to the next lesson, which is lesson 4. Here we go. So apparently I do cooperate on different types of mental skills, some skills, and just do difficult task. Try to have events to have informed strategy here. So, lesson 5 it is. Wow, this song is so busting. It's literally dignifying to my tunes. We need to have cognitive skills. Probably assuring my life. Maggie, you okay? Yeah? I hope so. She's okay. Okay, lesson 6. I do think this sounds like traditionally a synth pop. No, not synth pop. More like pop regulation to Nocturnal Beats Corporation music. I'm not even more instigated than that. But that doesn't sound really awesome to me. Seriously? I'm not even assembled by YouTube play buttons. Okay, moving on to lesson 7. Specific pop music by the 80s. Wow, that is so fucking delicious. I know. Oh, I barely said a swear word. Never mind. Let's go to lesson 8. Make sure you incorporate the beats initially. Alright, we're almost finished. Alright. Just kidding. Nuh-uh. Not buying that type of stuff. That's only for medicines. Help your heart digest. Not buying that type of stuff. No, that's medicine. Lesson 8. wait. I forgot. We already completed lesson A. I'm super duper duper sorry. I thought I messed up on that one entirely. Oh no. My bad. Oh no. Alright, lesson 9. Okay, so clearly I need to rearrange prosecution, especially in my environment. I can do better with Groovepad tutorials like this. And that's amazing, yeah. Okay, last lesson, lesson 10. Don't screw this up. I'm doing way too good now. Now we can finally watch Hardball today with Chris Matthews. Yes. Are you sure? Okay. That doesn't even conclude my entire contribution there. Especially people watching the news thinking they're grown. Okay, we're finished. Oh my god. Wow, good job. I'm thrilled that you did so well. You really are killing this. Cool. So the next song is Garage Nightcrawler. It's gonna be tomorrow on Tuesday. Wednesday we'll do Future Bass. And then I realize I'm assuming that we are just doing Genuine Trap on Thursday, the 27th of August. And then Friday, we'll do Dubstep Wave. Saturday, we'll do Tough Dubstep. And then Sunday, we'll do Hip Hop Dream. All the songs are just coming this week, so be prepared for those. Alright. Alright.
20 years of Hardball. Let's play.
Cool.
Good evening. I'm Chris Matthews in Washington. As I said, on the week of the 20th anniversary of Hardball on MSNBC.
Okay. I love it. Hardball 20th Anniversary Celebration Edition. Isn't that crazy? Yep, it sounds a little special to me. Especially the 20th Anniversary Celebration of Service of News. Dedication towards having news and entertainment and policy, right? Yeah. It's time to move on to something a little different.
Trump.
Okay. Chris Matthews.
Trump Watch, Wednesday, April 12th, 2017. Trump Watch, Wednesday, April 12th, 2017. Donald Trump never took Winston Churchill's advice to study history. For him, the earth was created in quite recent memory. Everything is without precedent. The huge... Without precedent.
This is a song about a breakup.
Now,
I can't wait to hear this type of suggestion of the specific story. I cannot wait.
Wednesday, April 12th. Trump Watch, Wednesday, April 12th, 2017. Donald Trump never took Winston Churchill's advice to study history. For him, the earth was created in quite recent memory. Everything is without precedent. The hugest, the whateverest. Nothing ever happened before, and everything now is, as he put it so finely this afternoon, a mess. Well, let's start with the mess part, which is easiest to explain, because if you accept his statement that all is lost, then anything that's not a mess a few months from now goes to his credit. He will be the one who rose us up from the mess. It's his ignorance of the past, of history, that I predict is going to confound us. Didn't he take any humanities courses at Penn? Didn't he read anything in all of his 70 years? Didn't he give us any thought to anything but real estate? Trump seems to be thinking about the Mideast, Russia, NATO, the whole ball of wax, the whole globe we live on for the first time. Does he know we have to wear two hats in the Mideast? One is an ally of Israel, one is an honest broker. Does he know we have to avoid at all costs a military confrontation with Russia? Does he know how frighteningly tricky it is to keep Kim Jong-un from firing off a missile? Does he have the sense of where we're been in these relationships to be able to handle the territory now? Does he know the hazards that have scared all the men before him? Or maybe we'll strike it just right. Like the proverbial monkey, given enough time on the keyboard, we'll tell you Merry Christmas. But shouldn't we dread the thought of how many other combinations he's capable of in the meantime? Here's something to really worry about. Late today in his press conference, I thought for a few minutes that when Trump was talking about giving our relationship with Russia time, when he talked about really getting to know China's president, Xi, when he called Bashar al-Assad a butcher, I thought I heard someone say, Merry Christmas. And that's Hardball for now. Thanks for being with us. All In with Chris Hayes starts right now.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.
You guys understand? Yes. I'm not reassuring. I'm not assuming the fact that you literally just talk about Russia.
Oh no. He only, he's actually talking about Russia.
Gosh. Merry Christmas.
That's kind of weird.
Oh, yeah, totally. Well, anyways, we should do more Hardball next time on MSNBC. Okay. No, that's all. No. Oh yeah. Yes. You guys think it's funny? I'm glad we're watching this news on MSNBC. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give a like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know which song do you think we should do on. What's the word that we were trying to get on?
Groovepad?
Groovepad, there you go. That's nice. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay. See you guys on the next Groovepad tutorial. Bye.